Hi everyone, this is Imam. Today we are going to see how to darken the border of a face, or it can be any part of the body, using the GIMP program, or you can use any kind of program which supports similar features. So first we're gonna load up an image of myself into GIMP. So now we have the image and it looks nice, and what we want to do, we want to darken the border around the face. So what it does, it may make the picture look better, or it just gives a special effect to your picture. So you can see what I mean. So it looks nice once you're done. So let's just start off. So first we have our original layer, which is in here, and is this. I want to duplicate this layer because I want to use some blending functionality of these two layers. We're gonna blend one onto another. So first we have to using the top layer. So we have our original layer and we have another duplicated layer here, and then first on the duplicated layer we're gonna use the edge detect filter found under the filters menu, and then we have different algorithms to detect the edges in the image. So we can see the split view here in the latest version of the GIMP, how it's detecting different edges in the picture. So I'm gonna, for the algorithm, I'm gonna stick with shovel. You could try different algorithms for different effects. I like shovel, and then I'm gonna reduce the amount because the more the amount and then more the graining, more it will detect unnecessary grains in the picture. So I want to reduce down to the 0, the list amount, which is 1000, and then the border behavior I want to keep it as it is, clamp, and then I'm going to say OK. Now we have two layers. One is our original image, one is duplicated layer, which we applied the filter on, and which became this edge detected image. So what it did, it found all the edges in my picture, right? Hard edges. So you can see it now can kind of find the border around my image face. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend our edge detected layer onto our original image in some way to get the effect we want. We wanna apply the blend in here in the blending mode. The picture layer will be drawn onto another one. Under the mode we can find different one. I want to select subtract. As you can see with the subtract, it looks quite different. The reason is now the border around including the hair is now more clear, and it looks more nicer, and hard border around is kind of giving it kind of like a water paint, or you could say, yeah, but not exactly. But we can change a little bit here and there, modify, manipulate to make it look better. As you can see, if I turn off the duplicate layer, which is applying the blending of subtract, we get our original image, and then we show our duplicated layer, and we can see the hardcore. So some things I want to fix here. From here, I want to remove this unnecessary. So let's turn off our original image, and then I choose here the black color and the paint, any brush you can use, and then I want to remove this eye. Okay, let's keep the original image so we can see live what's happening here. I want to reduce the brush size so that remove this unnecessary dark thing. So we don't want any kind of border there, don't want any kind of dark pixel there, dark pixels. And then similarly here and here you can make some cleaning, typical cleaning for image. We could use like a smart healing tool found in the, and then kind of use press Control key on the keyboard, select an area, and then kind of we have to select our original, and then press control and select an area, and then just, yeah, control, select an area, and then release control, and then yeah, it fixes all this, because I have this on my face, so I'm just trying to make it not have the. So here, yeah, let's copy somewhere here. So I think it looks quite good now. Now that's what I wanted to achieve for this. Now the picture looks cartoonish, a little bit computer graphics generated because of this hard dark layered edge. It could be hard, yeah. So including the hair and everything, including the play. So thanks for watching. Next time, see you next time.